Yes. Children, in our last video, we have started a new chapter that is negative sentences. We have completed what are negative sentences. We have also completed some rules of writing this. Okay. Now, in this very video, we will start with page number 99, the other rules. Clear? First, we will see when the verb is in simple present tense, we use negative sentence. Okay, then we put do not or does not before the original form of verb. Children, first before seeing this, we will see what are simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense, it talks about habitual actions. It talks about certain habitual actions. Habitual actions, that is those actions that are sure, or you can say like it is a habit to be done. Okay, example, Priya speaks fluent English. Priya speaks fluent English. It is habit of Priya to speak English, that is fluently. Okay. Then second example will be Meeta washes her hands before and after meal. Meeta washes her hands before and after every meal. Here washes is a verb. Okay. Now this is also habitual. Then permanent truth. What I said, permanent truth. The sun rises in the east. Truth. The sun sets in the west. Truth. Clear? Now, those words which I said, that like speaks, washes, rises, sets in the west, these all are in the simple present tense. Example, here again you can see Rima likes chocolates. It is in the positive form. When we use in this very place, that is the original form of likes, we will use this very verb likes. If we will use with this, if we will use this is in a positive form. If we add or if we have to change the sentence into negative form, we have to make this very sentence in a negative form. We will say, we will put do not or does not with this, and we will write here Rima does not like chocolates. Does plus not plus like, that is original form of verb likes. Clear? Yes. Now coming towards the other example, that is they like chocolates. It is in a positive form. It is habitual that they like chocolates. Now like is a verb, and we will use here they do not like chocolate, that is original form of verb. Clear? That is in negative sentence. Okay, now children, these are a few things to remember. That is, you have to use do not. Do not has to be used in which word, for which word or which subject. For plural subjects, you have to use do not, and also you have to carry the do not word with I. That is, I do not. Then we do not. Then you do not. And they do not. Clear? Do not will be used with I do not, we do not, you do not, they do not, and all the plural subjects. Clear? And now does not, where you have to use does not, that will be he. With he does not, she does not, it does not, and with all the singular subjects. Do not has to be used with plural subjects and with I, we, you, and they. Again, do not has to be used with I, we, you, and they. and with all the plural subjects, and like and he, she, it, and with singular subjects does not will be used. Clear? Here is an exercise which I will be giving you the same chapters, same exercise I'll give you in the assignments. Okay, and just be sure that you will also try to do this. Now, coming towards the simple past tense, when the verb is in simple past tense. Clear? Simple past tense, simple past tense, children, just see here, simple past tense, if we will say, when the verb is in simple past tense. First, we will see what is simple past tense. Actions which took place sometimes in the past. Actions which took place sometime in the past, or talks about some past habitual action that has been taken in the past, or that which talks about some past habitual actions. Example, I went to the party yesterday. Went is the past tense of go. Went is the past tense of go, and went is in simple past. Then the second one is, we usually studied in library before exams. We usually studied in the library before exams. Studied is again simple past tense, and it is a past tense of study. Studied is the past tense of study. Now, when the studied is the past tense of study. Now, when the verbs are in simple past tense, we put did not before the original form of verb. Alright. Now, for example, the bird flew over the tree. The bird flew over the tree. If we will add did not. Flew is a verb. Flew, fly, flew. Okay. Past tense of fly, that is flew. Did plus not plus fly. Fly is the original form of flew. The bird did not fly over the tree. The bird did not. If we will make it a negative sentence, the bird flew over the tree is in positive. This is a positive sentence. The bird did not fly over the tree is a negative sentence. Clear? Now, coming towards the exercises. In the book, first we will see the simple past, that is, we put did not before the original form of verb. That is, example, Meeta knew the truth. It is in positive sense, positive sentence, knew. You see the verb knew. This is the original form of know. Meeta did not know the truth. Did plus not plus original form of verb knew. Negative sentence. Did not. Clear? Then second one is they bought many flowers. They bought many flowers. It is in positive form. Bought is a verb. And for a negative sentence, again you have to add here did and not. The original form of bought is buy. They did not buy many flowers. In a negative sentence. You will see in a negative sentence, children, usually you have to write the original form with did not or do not. Okay? You have to write the original verb form. Clear? Short form of did not is didn't. Didn't is often used. Okay, they didn't buy many flowers. They didn't know the truth. This one's okay. That is the short forms that is here. It is written. Don't, do not, don't, does not, doesn't. Clear? Then children, we will do the exercises again. Like I have told you, we will do the exercises in our this one assignments. Okay, I'll just tell you and you will be completing this. Then is imperative sentences. That is commands. Commands. Children, you all know what are imperative sentences. That is sentences that express a command. Sentences that express a command, a request, or an advice. Sentences that express a command, a request, or an advice is imperative sentence. Clear? That is commands. Example, go out of the room. This is a command. And for a negative sentence, we will use here do not. We put do not at the beginning of the sentence to make commands. When a command sentence is made, when there will be a command in the sentence, we have to put at the very beginning of the sentence, that is do not. We have to add there do not. Example, you see, go out of this room. This, and you have to change this one, this positive sentence into negative one, and you'll write here, you will add here do not, and you write do not go out of the room. Okay, now same as is told here in the book also, children. Imperative sentences, that is commands. Examples, go from here, and when you have to add here do not before the sentence, go from here, you have to add here do not. Just you have to add here do not go from here. Rest part is the same in imperative sentence. I'm telling you, if you make a negative sentence, rest part is same and only do not has to be added here, and rest everything will be same. Then second one is throw this in the bin. Again, do not throw this in the bin. Do not throw this in the bin. Clear? Now, rewrite the sentences in negative form. Take this book. Add here do not. Do not take this book. Keep the book on the table. Add here do not. Do not keep the book on the table. Eat slowly. Add here do not eat slowly. Give this book to Shalini. Add here do not give this book to Shalini. Clear? Clear this negative sentences chapter, children? I hope so, everyone. It is clear if you have really paid attention for this. Clear? Now, this is just a revision. You see, at the end, that is in page number 101, you will see the revision, children. Let's revise. We can make negative sentences in many ways. First point is when sentences have forms of verb be. We use not. He is honest, he is not honest. Second one, when sentences have verb or forms of verb have, we put no after different forms of verb. That is, I have a pen. I have no pen. Okay, then when the sentence has verbs made of two or more words, we put not after the first word. That is, she is studying, she is not studying. And then when the verb is in simple present tense, just today I have told you, simple present tense, we put do not or does not before the original form. That is, Gia loves music, Gia does not love music. Then at the last, when the verb is in simple past, we put did not before the original form of verb. That is, Gia sang a song, Gia did not sing a song. Clear? Children, for your assignments, I'll click the pics and I'll give it to you and you have to write in your note copy. Clear? Then now today this negative sentences, that is chapter 24 of your unit test, is over. Clear? Thank you.